Guys, Truck Tim is going to a new playground. Wonderful! There are so many playground slides and swings. You can have fun playing. Hi, Tim. Friends, who is this flying to us? Helicopter. Look, the helicopter has delivered the car parts to us. These are the details of a passenger car. Right. This new car is called Lucy. Lucy is a friend of Truck Tim. New adventures are waiting for them. But first, let's assemble the new car from parts. We'll attach the body to the chassis. And this is the engine. One of the most important parts of any car. Let's install it. We will put the radiator grill, headlights, and hood. And here are the tail lights and the exhaust pipe. Do we need mirrors? Of course, we need it. It remains to put the wheels. And decorate Lucy with such a red bow, just like girls. Tim, we have assembled Car Lucy. Tim, where are you going? It seems that everything is becoming clear. Truck Tim is like a real gentleman, decided to make Lucy pleasant, to give flowers. Look, this is a flower bed with red roses. Rose is a very beautiful and lush flower, but you should be careful. The stems of the rose are covered with sharp thorns. And here is a flower bed with chamomile. It grows both in the field and in the garden. These are lilies of the valley. Lilies of the valley bloom in spring, very beautiful and unusual, but they fade very quickly and they hide under the ground for the winter. Wow, tulips! Tulips are spring flowers. They can be different colors and different shapes. Guys, there are a lot of varieties of flowers all over the world. Field, indoor, garden flowers. But each flower is unique in its own way. Tim, what a beautiful bouquet you have brought for Lucy. Guys, what kind of flowers do you like to give to your loved ones? Write to us in the comments.